Hello and welcome to the Downhill Dad. Today we will be replacing my broken Shimano SLX brake lever with the Flo Motorsports Pro 120 mountain bike levers. These levers seem to be engineered a little bit better than the Shimano SLX lever. The SLX lever has a pretty weak point where the aluminum comes together and it's hollow. Hit a tree once, bent it, tried to bend it back, and it snapped.
This pin here, you push it through this way, not this way. That's the way out. Maybe it goes the other way too, but I don't know. Pretty solid. So got it out, used the mallet. Found another YouTuber that did the same thing, so that worked. It's too tight.
And I couldn't be happier with the results that I was provided with. The installation process was pretty self-explanatory, minus some hemming and hawing there, but Flo has a YouTube video for the installation, and you can just follow that right through, and you will be up and running in no time.
I think it looks about right. That's about right. And
took maybe 10 minutes total, and I totally recommend it, and you get this awesome action on the lever. I'll leave a link in the description to the website to purchase these brake levers. They're $89.95 a pair and well worth every penny. Thanks for watching me walk through this video and try to install this lever. Please like and subscribe for the next video. And most importantly, ride for yourself.